everyone, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and I'm participating in a collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Crafty Kitty, and it is her annual summer DIY. Now, I wanted to participate, and I see it's dark out here, and what I did was I did a door reef. Because my other project I was trying to do is too complicated to have it done for tomorrow. But I did want to participate like I did last year. So guys, if you want to see what I did for her, stick around. Okay guys, this is my summer DIY project. What I did was I went in, I got a W, and of course you know they come brown, and I painted mine white. I wanted it white. And I added some sunflowers to make it for the summer. And of course, my favorite color, teal, is the bow at the bottom. So I did something simple, something summery, something colorful. So I hope you enjoy my short video showing you what I did as a DIY for my summer project. Again, guys, if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please do so by clicking that subscribe button down below. And next to it, guys, you will see a bell. If you click that bell will let you know every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. Again, this is Stephanie with Creative Miss Me saying, thank you guys for watching, and you guys, as always, be blessed.